First game. Op, nabitawan na, nabitawan. Traveling. Buspom, pass to Mikal, reverse basket. First. Balido Junior to up. Denied by GC Boy. GC Boy to Buspom, back to GC Boy. Back again to Bus Danilo. For 2 point pula. Uy, wala. Abuda secure the rebound. Albino to Balido Junior, pulled up drive basket. Busdan, step away to Charles Martel. Up! Up! First one, uy, wala. Final throw basket. Balid up. Play. Abuda, wala. Junior Balido for the second chance. Nice. Uy, may first one uy, wala. Second throw, wala. Rebound, Boss Danilo. Boss Danilo to GC Boy. Basket. 2 points for GC Boy. Oy, ano yan? Boss Pom, tira. For triple. Down. Uy, wala. Albino. Dribbling. To Boss Dinky Senior. Sir Eric. Back to Albino. Back again to Sir Eric. Pull up jump. Wala. Charles sumalaksak. Wala. Boss Danilo to Sir Pompom. Oy, turnover. Oop. Traveling violation. Boss Danilo to up. Turnover. Albino to Abuda, pull up. Sobra. Busdan to Boss Pompom. Back to Busdan. Isid. Ay, sayang mga idol. Balido. Behind the back pass. Turnover. Mikal. To Charles Martel. Pull up. Wala po. Abuda. Rebound. Abuda to Albino. To Boss Dinky Junior Senior. Basket. GC Boy to Mikal. For downtown. Wala. Balido Junior to Abuda, pull up jump. Wala po. Uy, time out. Brought to you by Boss Jericho. Boss Pompom to Boss Dan. Nice supply. Sayang. Boss Dinky Senior. Wala. Boss Pom. Corner 2. In and out. Boss Dan. The rebound. Basket. Boss Dinky. Left-handed. Uy, wala. Charles Martin. Sumalaksak. Basket. Abuda. Showing his dribbling skill. To Albino. To Junior Balido. May kasamang foul. Sir Eric, pull up to basket. First. Ay. Ay, ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Balido Junior, sobra. Mikal to GC Boy, nice pass. Nagkulang lang po. Balido to Senior Dinky. Basket. Charles Martin, coast to coast. Wala pa rin. Balido to Albino. To Boss Dinky Senior. Counted. Busdan to Mikal. Mikal floater, basket. Abuda. Wala. Charles, pull up. Wala. Mikal for 3. Basket. Albino to Sir Eric. Corner 2. Basket. Dalawa na yan. Bosbom. To Charles Martin. Easy layup. In and out. Wala. Balido. To Senior Dinky. Wala pa rin. Follow up his teammate. Balido. Charles Martin. Coast to coast. Basket. Boss Dinky Leber. Coast to coast to the basket. Mikal, nice pass. Basket. Abuda. Pull up to. Wala. Mikal, tubos Danilo. Pull up to basket yan. Up, turnover by Charles Martin. Driving. Basket. Balido to Abuda. Wala. Another chance by Abuda to Boss Dinky. Sir Eric. Pull up to. Wala. Uy. Second chance by Balido Jr. GC Boy. Court triple. Wala. Albino to Sir Eric. Nice passing. Basket. Turnover. Balido Junior pinasa kay Boss Dinky. Sumalaksak. May kasamang foul. First free throw of the night. Wala. Jumper ready. Wala pa rin. Charles. Sumalaksak. Reverse. Wala. Another chance by Boss Dan. Uy, wala pa rin. Boss Dinky. May kasamang foul and one. Final throw basket. Boss Pom. Ay, ano ba yun? Palpak na naman. Junior Senior basket by Boss Dinky Leber. Boss Pom Pom to. Another turnover. Senior Leber left-handed shot. JC Boy binawian ng dos. Abuda long 2 points. Wala. Mikal. Itsa. Boss Pom. Wala. Another second chance. Again. Boss Dan. Receive da. Pull up. Wala. Malas talaga. Balido. To Sir Eric. Balido for the win. Wala. Mga busing. Happy New Year. GC Boy. Charles the rebound. Pull up to. Wala. Rebound Boss Danilo. To Mikal. 2-point basket. Mikal for triple. Downtown. Albino versus GC Boy. Oop! Sayang! Tan tan tan! GC Boy for the win! Wala! May kasamang foul. First one, wala. Second chance, wala pa rin. Bikal, wala. Albino. Stepping. Wala. Abo dato, Boss Dinky for the win. Way, sobra. Boss Dan for the win. Wala, sayang. Junior Senior, may kasamang foul. First one, wala. Wala. Balido for the follow-up basket. Buspong for the win. Wala. Albino. To Sir Eric for the win. Basket. Sir Eric, final game winning.
Dahil sa basketball, nakakabili na ako ng gamot.
Wow!
Dati mo ng sakit.
Woo! Sir Eric for the win.